Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about a product that has been highly requested by many of you, and honestly, I've been equally excited to try it out. We're talking about a pair of TWS earbuds that's making serious waves in the market right now, especially for its active noise cancellation and premium design, the ROSESELSA Earfree i5. This is a product that fans have been constantly reminding me to review, and after using it extensively, I'm finally ready to share everything with you. Right from the unboxing, the experience feels premium and thoughtfully designed. The box has some different look. On the front, you get the Earfree branding, along with highlighted features, and on the back all the technical details are clearly listed. Inside you'll find ROSESELSA Earfree i5 earbuds nicely nestled in the charging case, a Type A to Type C charging cable, and few ear tips of different sizes, and the usual paperwork. But honestly, the moment I held the charging case in my hand, I knew this was not just another budget TWS offering. The entire case is built from metal, not plastic, with a metallic finish, but actual cold-to-the-touch, solid metal construction. In this price range, it's almost unheard of. Most brands cut corners with plastic builds, but ROSESELSA went all out here. The case feels durable, dense, and luxurious, almost like something you'd expect from a flagship product priced at $100 or even more. Opening the case reveals the earbuds, which are designed with both comfort and ergonomics in mind. They sit snugly in the ears and are lightweight enough to wear for hours without fatigue. Touch controls are seamlessly integrated, allowing you to play or pause music, take calls, skip tracks, and activate voice assistants with just a tap. They're responsive and intuitive, a must for modern earbuds. Let's talk about one of the most talked about features, active noise cancellation. This is where the ROSESELSA Earfree i5 truly shines. The ANC performance is impressive, especially considering its price point. Whether you're commuting on a bus, walking through a crowded market, or working in a noisy cafe, the earbuds do a fantastic job of isolating you from the outside world. It's not just passive isolation. The active noise cancellation actually cuts out a significant chunk of ambient sound. And what I loved even more was how natural it feels. No pressure on the ears, no weird vacuum sensation. It just works, and it works well. Sound quality is another major strength. These earbuds deliver a rich, immersive audio experience that completely exceeded my expectations. The low frequencies are deep and punchy, making bass-heavy tracks feel alive without overwhelming the mids or highs. Whether you're listening to EDM, hip-hop, or cinematic scores, the bass gives you that satisfying thump. The mids are clean and clear, ideal for vocals, podcasts, or acoustic music. High frequencies are crisp without being shrill, ensuring a balanced soundstage that feels both expansive and detailed. If you're someone who enjoys clarity, richness, and separation between instruments, the Earfree i5 will definitely impress you. Another area where these earbuds stand out is call quality. I tested them in multiple scenarios, indoors, outdoors, during traffic, and even on a windy evening, and every time the mic performance was solid. Voice comes through cleanly, with minimal background interference, and the latency is low, which makes the conversation feel real-time and smooth. Now let's talk about connectivity. These earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.3, and it shows. Pairing is fast, the connection is stable, and switching between devices is a breeze, especially thanks to the dual-device connectivity feature. This is a game-changer for anyone who regularly switches between a phone and tablet or laptop. No need to manually disconnect and reconnect, it just works smoothly and intelligently. Whether you're watching a movie on your tablet or getting a call on your phone, the earbuds handle the transition seamlessly. Gamers and video watchers, here's something for you too. The low latency performance on the Earfree i5 makes it a solid choice for mobile gaming and video content. You won't notice any desync between the visuals and audio, which is crucial for a smooth experience whether you're watching YouTube, Netflix, or playing fast-paced games like BGMI or COD Mobile. ROSESELSA claims a 54 milliseconds latency, and while that number may vary slightly in real-world use depending on your device, the performance holds up incredibly well. The earbuds are also IP54 rated, which means they're dust and splash resistant. You don't have to worry if you get caught in light rain or if you're sweating it out during a workout. These are built to withstand everyday challenges. They're perfect for gym goers, joggers, or anyone who wants durable audio gear without worrying about weather or sweat damage. Now onto battery life. ROSESELSA claims up to 10 hours on a single charge, and up to 50 hours with the case depending on your usage. And even when using ANC at 50% volume, one comfortably got over 4 hours on a single session, which is more than enough for daily use, commutes, and work sessions. The charging case tops it up quickly, and with USB-C charging you're always just a short recharge away from another full day of music. And I can't forget to mention the dedicated companion app. It's lightweight, easy to navigate, and refreshingly free of ads or unnecessary clutter. You don't need to create an account or log in. Just install it, pair your earbuds, and you're good to go. You can adjust touch controls, check battery levels, and even get firmware updates. This level of software support adds so much convenience, especially for new users. To sum it all up, the ROSESELSA Earfree i5 is a standout product in the mid-budget TWS space. It delivers where it matters most. Premium design, powerful ANC-rich sound, crystal clear calls, seamless connectivity, and impressive battery life. The fact that it packs all of this into a stylish metal design at such an affordable price makes it an easy recommendation. Whether you're a student, a working professional, a commuter, or someone who just loves music, this is a pair of earbuds that's hard to beat. If you're considering getting your first pair of TWS earbuds or looking for an upgrade from a basic model, you'll definitely want to check this one out. I'll keep using it in the coming weeks and share further updates, and who knows, maybe I'll give away a brand new pair to one of you soon. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you've got any questions about the ROSESELSA Earfree i5, drop them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching. This is your friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy listening.